Today we're going to show you how to make a blueberry galette, which is like a pie but a lot easier. So I have the pie crust already made and I rolled it out. There is a pie crust recipe on my YouTube channel, video on how to make homemade pie crust, but you can use store-bought too if you like. You want to make it so it's bigger than the pan, and we're going to flip it over into the pan and then put the filling in. We're going to put the filling in just right in the middle, just like that. 1 can of blueberry pie filling. We're doing it the easy way today. For those of you who don't think you can make a pie, this is very easy to make. They call it a galette because you don't have to make the crust on the edges real fancy. All you do is just fold it in, just like that. And then you bake it on 375 for about 30 minutes, and then we'll check it. And that is a blueberry galette. This is our blueberry galette. I had it in the oven on 375 for about 40 minutes, checked it, and put it back in for another 25. Now it's done. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of confectionery sugar over it, just to make it look a little pretty. And there's your easy blueberry galette. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy this easy way to make a pie.